We know that accepting and rejecting is a click of a button. It's very easy to do. But what happens if a change now appears 100 times across my test suite? Because it's very central and it occurs on all devices and browsers and in different states of the application. Even if accepting and rejecting is very easy, looking at 100 occurrences of the same difference and accepting or rejecting again and again can be a bit overwhelming. The good news is that with Autonomous, you don't need to do it. We know that the error message missing is a bug, so we need to reject it. It doesn't matter on which screen we rejected. As soon as I provide this feedback, Autonomous automatically start analyzing all the other test results that are available, that were in that run, and it automatically applies my decision everywhere where the same difference occurs. So basically, instead of looking at 10 places and rejecting, I just had to reject once. And there are plenty of AI-based, extremely advanced features in the product that really allow you to scale your coverage, scale your test without increasing the amount of maintenance that you need to do. This technology is also available in our ICE product and can be used to augment any type of test written in code, whether it's Playwright, Cypress, Selenium, Appium, XUI, Espresso, more than 40 test environments that are included.